Hey guys, Victor Isibor here. What's going on, guys? I'm back on the review. First timers to this YouTube channel. Here we talk anything that has to do with how you can make money and how you can stay safe from scammers who are trying to take away your money. If content like this is what brings you to YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon and put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent uploads. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute, like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. A lot of people have been sending me messages, asking me questions about Amazon Review Bot. But I observed that each person that comes to me asking about Amazon Review Bot, it is because they have seen my video of over a year ago when I reviewed RAYSBOT. So the question is, why do you watch my video on RAYSBOT, then you come into my DM asking me about Amazon Review Bot? What is the connection? And that connection is what inspired me to want to take a look at this, because these days, if you observed, I want to focus more on the solution than the problem. The problem is Ponzi, then I'm focusing more now on the solution. So if you're looking to make money legitimately online, send me a DM. I have a project that is 100% transparent and very profitable for you. And that's my focus now, and not just always dwelling on the problems. But I have to look at Amazon Review Robot because too many people are in my DM asking questions. Now, first of all, if you click on the About Us section, all right, this About Us section, there is nothing there, no information about the project there. They did not tell us anything about them. Now, when you click on it, you just see a bunch of certificates. Just certificates, 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 as if the certificate would tell us what we want to know. But just bunch of certificates and nothing much. Okay, when you look closely at the certificate, you will see RAYSBOT Private Limited. Scroll up a little again, you will see this certificate also, RAYSBOT Private Limited. Now it's conspicuous here, the same name, RAYSBOT Private Limited. Now, are you thinking what I'm thinking? This is the reason why when people see my RAYSBOT review, they come into my DM asking me about Amazon Review Bot. Now, one of the hallmarks of a Ponzi scheme is that it is confusing. The scammers are confused, then they bring their confusion to their victims. Everybody is confused, and in that confusion, they take away your money. Now, look at a website that calls itself Amazon Review Robot. Look at the website itself. Shopreviews.in. Shopreviews.in is the website. The name of the website is Amazon Reviews Bot. Now, when they are showing us certificates, they are showing us RAYSBOT Private Limited. Which one should we go for? Are you Amazon Reviews Bot or Shopreviews.in, or you are RAYSBOT? Now, make sure you watch out for my counterpunch at the end of this video, because I'm going to give you a very brutal counterpunch to this. Now, you see RAYSBOT here as well. RAYSBOT. The name keeps popping up. RAYSBOT, RAYSBOT. And I'm going to tell you something about RAYSBOT very shortly. Stick with me. Stick with me. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, because you're going to like my counterpunch. RAYSBOT. So they are, all these certifications, they are just writing RAYSBOT everywhere. So there's no point just going ahead. It is RAYSBOT, 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 RAYSBOT. Now let me counterpunch RAYSBOT first of all. RAYSBOT was a crypto arbitrage platform. They came out about 2 years ago as a crypto arbitrage platform. Don't take my word for it. On your screen right now, I'm going to show you a screen recording. If you search on YouTube, RAYSBOT crypto arbitrage, you will see that a lot of content creators like myself exposed RAYSBOT for the scam that it was when it came out. RAYSBOT arbitrage, it was a scam, and that project collapsed. So it seems that these scammers, spent a lot of money on coming up with different certifications that don't hold water, and they feel like we cannot go out of business. What do we do now? Let us brainstorm. Now, let us come out with another so-called project. Okay, this time we'll call it Amazon Review Bot. Since we are RAYSBOT, we did crypto arbitrage and it collapsed. We have brought something new, Amazon Reviews Bot. Now, from the name, as the name implies, you would be tempted to think, okay, I will write a review about a product and Amazon would pay me. That is what they want you, the gullible people, to believe. Write a review about an Amazon product and you get paid. Of course, you know, Amazon is one of the biggest e-commerce websites or companies in the world, owned by one of the richest men in the world. Now, which is which? Are they shopreviews.in? Are they Amazon Review Robot? Or are they RAYSBOT? Counterpunch number one, RAYSBOT crypto arbitrage was a scam. And during that time, when we exposed them, they also flashed these same certifications on their crypto arbitrage platform that collapsed and ran away with a lot of people's money. All right? Now, they're back with Amazon Review Robot. Now, let me tell you something real quick. Amazon, they have a very robust website. Whatever Amazon wants to do, they will find a section for it on their website. They don't need to create a funny-looking website for that. Amazon, they don't pay people randomly for reviews. But there is a special program they have, which is the Amazon Vine. Amazon Vine, like you can see via Google. Now, they say Amazon Vine is an invitation-only program which selects the most insightful reviewers in the Amazon store to serve as Vine voices. Now, I'm not going to open this website. Let me just give you an info of how you can make money reviewing on Amazon. Now, you can see the Amazon Vine is not on a special website. It is also on the normal Amazon.com website. You can see. Now, Amazon Vine, when you use products on Amazon and you write very interesting reviews every time, you will find that Amazon will now invite you. You see, they say it's an invite only. They invite you to join the Vine Voices. Now, it's not like Amazon pays you to use products or to write reviews. They will give you products for free. You use those products for a while, and all you need to do is just write a review. So what is your profit? Your profit is that you get to keep the products that they gave to you. So Amazon does not pay you to write reviews. Counterpunch. Bars. Amazon does not pay anybody to write reviews. They have a selected few persons that they give products for free. Those people get to use those products, write insightful reviews, and get to keep those products. So this is a scam. It is a time bomb that is waiting to explode very soon. If you have your money in here, take it out. Go and buy some drinks, hang out with friends, spend that money. That is a better use for your money than keeping it on this website where they are lying to you. Now, this is a RAYSBOT reboot. RAYSBOT collapsed several months ago. They are back again to take your money. That is how come you see Amazon Review Robot here. You see Amazon Review Robot here. But when you click on About Us and you scroll down a little, you are seeing RAYSBOT Private Limited. What's the correlation? Then when you look at the website, it is shopreviews.in. They are just trying to confuse everybody so that at the end of the day, you don't know what you're doing and you get to lose your money. Okay? This is an imitation scam. Trying to imitate Amazon, but they did a bad job at it because it's not making any sense. I'm rating this company a 0/10. Take away your money from this before it explodes. I don't know whether before I upload this video, it must have exploded. I don't know. But be smart and don't fall for this scam. I remain Victor Isibor. If you want something legitimate, shoot me a message in my DM and let's get you started with something legitimate. Leave all these sponsor schemes alone. I'm out.